from potential flooding in the forecast this week to looking ahead to what fall weather could be. I've got Jacob just staring at me right here. We've got all your weather-related questions. Let's ask your meteorologist, Jacob Dickey. Little do people know, you do this to us about every time you...
No such thing. I was sitting here respectfully, listening, engaged.
Oh, yes. Listen to Jacob Dickey.
I'd be like...
It just catches me off guard.
Heather usually can keep a straight face.
And I just can't. I'm just kind of giggly sometimes, but not too bad. Okay, well, we've got some good questions here today. You want to dive right in?
Sure, let's go for it.
Okay, so you've been talking about flooding and the forecast this week in the region. What do you look for when you are predicting for storms like that?
Yeah, so flooding, it takes storms traveling over the same area or a lot of rain from a big complex of storms. And this time of year, we tend to see these patterns appear. The last couple of years have been some years where we've had some flooding, not just in central Illinois, but across the region, Missouri, Kentucky, Illinois here. So as you see in the graphics, one of the patterns we're looking at here, usually a stationary front, is one of the keys for training thunderstorms. By training thunderstorms, think of a train going down the tracks. Well, it's multiple trains going over the same tracks there. There's some arrows overhead. One thing as well is the jet stream is running parallel to the stationary front. That means storms will start on one end and they'll slide right along the jet stream down the other end of that. So that allows for a boundary for storms to focus and train over the same areas. On top of that, then we add the low-level moisture being brought in from the south, and that's a recipe for some of that flooding there. A little bit of geometry. Did you keep with me, Grace?
A little bit, Jacob.
A little bit. Look what happens to your future track and the flood potential. See where that boundary was sitting? Look at the rainfall totals they're estimating. You start seeing those yellows and reds. That's a sign of 2, 3, 4+ inches of rain. Lesser amounts to the north side here in central Illinois with this particular setup, but we've had patterns like that before that have been here or further to the west or south. So those are some things that we look for. Now, the most likely scenario with the round coming tonight into tomorrow morning is the boundary remains just southwest of our area. Could be some pretty substantial flooding somewhere in the corridor from north central Missouri down through St. Louis and towards the Paducah region. And in fact, they've had quite a bit of flooding the last couple of days across central Missouri as that stationary boundary has been there. If that boundary were to wiggle a little bit overnight tonight and move our way, then maybe we would see the chance for some more of that here. Quick check at regional satellite here. You'll see some storm activity developing. This is some of the rainfall totals, though, from yesterday and the day before. See those bright bands there, Grace?
Yeah.
That's a sign of some of the heavy rain that has fallen. Some of those areas have had 4 to 8 inches of rain in a short period of time. We've missed out here. You can see the risk for excessive rainfall. That means flash flooding. Just southwest of our area, we think we'll probably miss the heaviest rains, but there may be some spots from Springfield, Effingham, and get to the inch mark. More spots than I think are less than that, but there might be a few lucky places that see some of that rain here.
Okay, all right, and I'm really excited about this topic.
Yes.
We're talking fall weather, maybe what people can expect. What are you thinking? Are we going to have a wonderful fall?
Yeah, fall will be cooler than summer.
Oh, well, I think I knew that.
That's all I have to say. Fall will be cooler than summer. And eventually you might get some frost. How's that for a forecast?
That's a wonderful forecast.
Is that a great forecast? No, let's talk about the extended outlooks here. That forecast I'm guaranteed to be right on.
Yeah, 100%.
Right? The 30-day and the 90-day outlooks have come out here in the last day or two. 30-day outlook for the month of August looks like maybe we'll see near normal temperatures in the region. Now remember, this is an average. There will still be warm days. There will still be cooler days. But by the end of the month, should look close to normal here with some summer-like weather. The extended outlook, though, does look a little wetter than normal. As we check the 90-day outlook, that'll be August, September, and October. A couple interesting things here. We're kind of on the boundary with that warmer air to the east, the cooler air to the west. That might actually support more active jet stream, and that might allow for more swings to cooler air to come in, sometimes some warmer air into fall. But with that active jet stream in, I would suggest that we probably will continue to see those wetter than normal trends somewhere in the region here as that warm and cold air clash, and that also might allow maybe for storm chances to linger this year for the next couple of months. It's not going to be a washout, but you look at the big picture trend, and that's what we have. And if you don't believe that, it will be cooler than summer.
You know, you'll be 100% right 100% on that one. Awesome. A rare thing you can find as a meteorologist, I'm sure. Well, thanks, Jacob, as always. And if you want to ask Jacob a question, there are all the ways that you can connect with him. Submit a question. Maybe we'll answer it here next week on CI Living. All right.